Hi everyone, welcome to the stream. This is our stream that is happening every weekend, every Saturday. So you are welcome to the edition today, and it is tagged Let's Build on Weekend. So what we'll be doing on this stream every time is that we'll pick a live application and we'll build it from ground to finish. So and trust me, this is going to be mind blowing. Applications will be building here in this stream every Saturday. It's going to be mind blowing. So you will see it. Very great one. Great one. When I say great, trust me, it's going to be great. So for this edition, for this time, we are starting a VTU website. That is, we are going to build a website whereby you can vend airtime, you can vend data, you can sell electricity token, enable people to buy cable TV, send bulk SMS, and lot of things like that. And we'll be using Laravel. We'll use on the front end. We'll use React, and we also use TypeScript. We'll integrate it with a payment provider. So when you are hearing all of this, you should know it's going to be a mind-blowing project. So stay tuned. Every Saturday we'll be live here 11 a.m. in the morning. So we'll start the stream and we'll build a session of the application. Then we'll wait till the coming weekend. So the video, every video we do every time will be live here on our YouTube channel, Right Choice Academy. You can also check on TikTok, on Daramola Babatunde's account, so you will see it. And don't forget, if you are new here, this channel, this is not the only thing we'll do here. On frequently we release tutorials and content, high level content, technical content, to make sure that you can grow as a developer, and as well your productivity is boosted. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, comment on all our video. If you need anything, then like videos, share it, invite people. Let us do these things together. So, and this project, the repository will be live on GitHub, so you'll see it. We're going to give early access to people that sponsors our stream. So if you would love to sponsor any of our stream, so just reach out. You can reach out. How you will reach out to us will be in the video description. So you can reach out to us. So we'll give you early access to the repository to see the code. You can clone it. You can build on it. You can do anything with it. So you can sponsor our stream. We'll give you early access to it. Then after every session, then after some time, we can make the repository public, open to people. So, but that one, early access, once you sponsor our stream, we'll give you early access. So let's jump to see what we will be building in this session of our stream. So I'll be showing you a website we'll be building. We'll be building something like this. We'll be building something like this website, quickrecharge.com, .ng. So we'll be building a website like this. So let me go to dashboard. So you can see the dashboard of this application. So this is how it is. You can see there's top up history, admin panel. I'm not going to the admin panel now. So we also built the admin panel. Don't worry, we'll build everything, though the design may not be like this. So, and for those of you that are familiar with CN, we'll be using CN as our component UI here. So don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. This is going to be super simple and awesome. So now you can buy data. So once you go to this place, so you can see, you can click on airtime, Nine Mobile. So let's just see this. So you can pick anyone. So let's pick SME. So and you can see another thing that is very great here. You can have access to your beneficiary, that is people you've sent data to on a what's it called, on frequent basis. So you can see them here, and this is responsive. You can see the responsive view here. So let's see how it is on mobile. All right, so let me activate the mobile view, so you can see it's responsive. I What else? See, let's get started with what we want to do without taking too much of time. There is no need to waste our time here. Let's just get to whatever we want to do. So I should show you many things. We have notification here. We have a lot. There is promotion. So you can do promo. You can give your users promo code and all of that here on this in this uh, in this on this website. So now, what do we do? So let's just open our terminal. And if you're familiar with Laravel very well, so we just want to install a fresh Laravel application here. Just want to install a fresh Laravel application here. So let's say, let me cd to, so now let's say Laravel new, what should we call our application? Let's say open VTU. Yeah, open VTU, because it's going to be open. So because we are using a sorry, for some of you that may not see my terminal very well, I will make adjustment to that. I will make adjustment to that. So now let's pick, because we are using React, so let's pick Breeze as our startup kit. So we are using Inertia and React. So we'll need TypeScript. Let me cancel this. Let's start again. So let's pick Breeze. We want React and Inertia. We want TypeScript. Let's pick SSR. I don't want ES linked. So then I think, so if you are wondering how I was able to select this, so once you are on any option, you can just press your space key. So then so enter. I want paste. Then our project will create. So let's wait till the project is created. So don't mind, my network is a bit slow, so till the installation is, so it's loading. So let's just wait. Let's wait. It will be completed very soon. It will be completed very soon. It will be completed very soon. So uh all right. So we are on 80% now. Please fast. Please be fast now. Oh yeah, be fast. The network is a little bit slow. Sorry for that. So our installation. So let's pick MySQL. We are using MySQL. Data before database updated. Would you like to run the default database migration? No, at the moment. So now downloading Laravel Breeze. So let's wait. Let's wait for the downloading. Let's wait. So we are building open VTU. It's going to be a VTU website. We are integrating payment provider, doing a lot of things going on here. So a lot of things going on here, a lot of things, a lot of things, a lot of things, a lot of things going on here. So hope you are following. Hope you are following. The installation will soon be through now. We are doing more of project setup today. So for people that are, maybe you are very familiar with Laravel, don't worry. Even if you don't know Laravel, at all. I'm going to do things in this video in such a way that at least you can come on board and get to know how things work in Laravel. So let's just wait. Our dependency is building now. Everything is building. So I'm doing it live. I'm doing it live. Doing it live. Doing it live. So if you still want to learn Laravel, I will be releasing some video during the week that is more educational towards maybe beginner stuff in Laravel and React and all of that. So don't don't just worry. Don't worry. Please be fast now. The dependency is building. The dependency is building. So we are doing that are just coming on board, beginners, developers, so that you can be able to at least know how it feels. You won't think like there won't be editing magic here, in short. So let's just let's pay attention to that. So then as you're watching, if you have anything, you can just shoot in the comment. I'm following you. I'm following you here, so you can just shoot in the comments. Let me hear what you have to say. Let me hear what you have to say. Very, very important. Let me hear what you have to say. Very, very important. All right, all right. So, any comment here? Hope I won't stop this dependency that is building. All right, let's do something. Let's do something so that we can be able to. As long as your PHP is running, MySQL is running, you are just up and you can just you are up and running. So I'm using Valet here. So what else should I change? Nothing. So let's run our migration. PHP artisan migrate. So would you like to create it? The database does not is not existing in my does not exist in my SQL. So let's create it. Everything migrated. So let's clear. I think the dependency is done building. So let's check it. Oh, I have what is it? Well, I don't know the meaning of this error. Let's go back to VS Code. Let's say npm run npm install. So while that one is going, so npm install. All right. So we are doing okay. Everything is installed now. So let's start npm. run dev, so that our dev environment can start. So let's open this in our browser. Yeah, open. So let's see what we have. All right. So now finally we get Laravel installed, which is a very great step we have taken here. So we are building Open VTU, a website that enables you to sell and buy airtime, do bulk SMLs, and all of that. So now, the next thing I want to do now is let's try to clear off some Laravel default here. I'll go to, okay, let me show you some things around. So for those of you that are new to Laravel, this app folder is the one that contains your application logic, your application logic, your model, your controller, your policy, your providers, service providers, and everything. So don't worry, we'll play more about that as we proceed. Then another thing, this is your bootstrap, the folders that correct that contains your application bootstrapping folders, I mean files. You find something like app here. So this is where your application actually started. So you have providers and many things here. So now you have config. This is your configuration files. You have database. That's where you have factory migrations and seeders. So we'll use it as we proceed. We'll use it as we proceed. We'll use it as we proceed. So we have our public. This is where the public facing file resides. Though you have direct, I mean resources. So in this resources directory, that is where you have your CSS, your JavaScript, your Vue if you are using Blade. So in fact, the inertia we're using here now resides on Blade. So you can see that we have inertia head here and inertia. These are React components coming in for Vite here. So then this is where inertia itself is rendered. So now let's go to our route file, which is web. So now here in this route file, you notice because we installed Breeze Starter Kit, so it set up some things for us by default here, which is our profile, user account, authentication, all is done. So then we have our home page here. So let me show you some things for that, for you to understand that better. So if I go up here, let me try to scroll up. So let's click register. So this come with Breeze. So I'm just going to say, let's say example at example.com. Example@example.com. Sorry. So let me say admin. Then the email should be admin@example.com. So I'll set my password. I won't tell you that password is secretive. I won't tell you. If you want me to tell you, let me know. Anyone, anyone on the stream? All right. Let's just continue. Let's continue. So I will. All right, admin. So let's see if we can get it once. So let's just say register. So you can see the application is registered. I'm not saving anything. So we have our dashboard. This is my username. So Breeze already gave us some setup for us. That is a profile where you can just update the details of the account you just created. Now this doesn't come with fresh Laravel installation, but because we started with a starter kit, Breeze starter kit, so it gave us all of this for free, and that is part of the benefit of using a framework like Laravel. In fact, every application you basically do maybe three things in your application. You undo user input, process user input, save it in the database, retrieve the information. So, and a framework like Laravel give you a very productive approach to that so that you can get things done easily. So now let's just go back to, so let's see what we can do here. So come here. So I want us to go back to this page. So I will go back to this route. So if you study this route very well, it's returning a welcome React component here, which is just a page. So let's go to that page. So on this page, you will see that this is nothing else. If you are very familiar with React, this is nothing more than what you do in your React, um, how you write GSS normally. So, and that's just it. So, but what I want to do here is I want to clear out all Laravel defaults here. So let's just say, open VTU here. So let's say open VTU. Then let's have a div. Don't forget we are using our Tailwind CSS to style. So so I want the minimum screen to be minimum okay, to be H. So let's say BG something. So we're going to be using a theme like, let's say, blue here. So if you see now, you can see that the entire page is, let me change it to something like 900. So you can see that the entire page background is blue now. So but I want to center everything here on this page. I want to center it on the page. So then here, let's have a div. Let's just have two. Uh, okay, let me just say open VTU. Open VTU project. So now open VTU project. So let's just leave it like this. So we'll come back to do more here. So let's, for you to be able to see it very well, let's just say class text then white. So this is it. All right. So this time around, don't forget I told you that our UI component will be using shard cn. And if you don't know shard cn, if this is the first project you'll be hearing about shard cn, it's just a component, UI component, that is very easy for integration, customization in a project, in your project. So now let's go to chat cn UI. So chat cn, so build beautifully designed component that you can copy and paste into your app, and that is just it. It's not more than that, and that's why I love this component when I work with React projects. So in fact, that's what quick recharge is built with. So that's what is used to build, to craft out the UI of quick recharge.ng here. So let's go back to chat cn. So, and let's read the docs to see how we can be able to install it, bring it into Laravel project. So let's go to docs. Sorry. All right. So we are back. 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 Now, let's go to installation. So let's go to Laravel over here. So Laravel. Now, the first stage here, create Laravel project. We've done that. Then the next thing we need to do here, based on this documentation, is for us to run this command on our terminal. So let me just copy, go back to VS Code. So let's close this. I'm not using it. So go back to VS Code. Now let's open another terminal here and paste that command. So enter. So what we are doing with this command is that we want to initialize a chat CN configuration in our Laravel project. So now let me pick the default. So let's just go with default. Let's use slate dark variant. So I want CSS variable. Then what else? Okay, our tailwind config updated, resource CSS app updated. All right. So installing dependency. So ShadCN will also have to bring in some enables it to processing. Let's see what we need to do next. So, what do we need to do next? Yeah. All right. So in the components, so I think that's all. So that's all. But let's just see. Let's see. Updating file, everything done. So let's go to this. So he brought this into our project. Then bam, 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 bam. All right. What else? I just want to check things around. There's nothing more here. So component. All right. So it also Shatsin also gave us this. So what? All right. Everything is intact here. So for us to know that Shatsin is fully installed, if you go back to our UI here, so where's our project? Okay, this is our project here. So what's it saying? Post CSS cannot find module tailwind CSS animate. All right. So let's go back to our tailwind CSS configuration. I don't know why that is happening, but let's fix it together here. Let's fix it together here. So now tailwind CSS, where is animate? Where is it? Require tailwind animate. All right, but let's just do something. I'll just fix this the way what I would do. I don't know. It's like ShadCN brought this in. So, but let's fix it. So let's go back to our browser. Let's open another tab here. Let's say install Tailwind CSS Animate. So let's just come here. Let's go to this. I'll just fix it. If I'm the only one working, this is what I'll just do. So let's just copy the command. Let's go back to our code. Let's paste, install. Let's see what happens. All right, that installed successfully. Let's come back here. Let's just stop and restart. Let's stop our dev server and restart. So run dev. All right, so let's go back to our browser. Our browser here. All right, everything is running properly now. Everything is running properly. So if you are following along, can you say I in the chat? All right. So now let's go back to ShadCN page. So let's go back to our ShadCN page. All right. So let's add, for us to know ShadCN is successfully installed, let's add a button component here. So we have a lot of component. We'll navigate many of it. So I don't want to show you now so that it won't be a duplicated effort. So let's just take it bit by bit. So, and if you've used ChatCN before, I know you will enjoy this stream. You will enjoy this stream very, very well. So let's go back to our code. So let's just add the button component for ChatCN. All right, that's installing. So let's see the magic. What is just happening here is nothing much. We have a script that will just copy the button component from ShadCN repository and just put it in our project. We can do that manually, but if we have a script that can do it for us, let's just let machine do the work. So that means we are smarter. So let's go back to our asset. So this is where our code is stored. So you can see something here. We have component with small cap, then UI and button component, which is from ShadCN. But I'm going to correct something here, of which I always do in my Laravel project. that I use with chatcn. So I'll delete this. I'll just delete this directory. So let's go back to our component.json. So in this alias here, this page, so I'll just use this. I'll say component. So I'll change it. Don't forget, this is camel case. So but this is all just small case here, so I'll have to change it here, same as this, so as to conform with what Laravel gave us by default. So though I can work everything around and rewrite everything, but then don't let us go that way. So let us change this, change this. Where else are we having component? No place again. So let's go back and install our button component again, and install our button component again. So what else? Installing. Installing. All right, fully installed. You can see now that it's installed in our component directory. Now it doesn't, it didn't create another directory for us. So, and if you navigate this component, it's just a bunch of tailwind css and just your normal React. The way you, if you want to create a button component by yourself, this is what you just do. So but chatcn team already do that for us. They did it for us. So let's just, you can give them a round of applause anywhere you are. So now let's just proceed here. So now let's go back to our welcome. So what I want to do here is, let's have a div. Let's give it class empty. No, I don't want all of this. I don't want all of this. So let's just say empty 5, margin top 5, and margin top 5. That's all. So, and here let me give it a flex. So let's say flex, let's have a gap of like 5. Then let's have justify to the center. I want this center, justify to the center. Then what else do I want to do here? Item center. I want the items to be aligned to the center. So let's have 2 buttons here. So for inertia, what I want to do here is I want to display the registration button and the login button. So, and we'll do it in 2 ways. So don't forget, we are just doing some basic things now. We are building an application, VTU application, that will enable you to sell airtime, enable you to sell data, enable you to do bulk SMS with a lot of other cool features. So let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. So now let's have a link from inertia link. Inertia link. So which one? All right, so this is what I want. So but I want to go to this route. I want to go to this route. Let's have route. So I want to go to register. So if you don't have an account already, I want to go to register. So then let's put a button component inside there. So this should come from this, the one we installed from chatcn. So let's say register. So register. Then variant. Let's have a variant of let's say prime. Is it default? Let's just have default. Let's make it the size large, size let's say G. So then I'll duplicate this. Let me remove all of this class. I think AI generated that for us, so I don't need it. So if you go back to our project, so you see that, you should see that button. All right. Oh, what's happening here? Okay. I understand what is happening. So now let's do div, then like this. All right, so everything is making sense. 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 So now The next thing I want us to do here is I want us to display our login screen, also our login. Okay, let's make this login. So let's say login. So save. So if you come back, you are seeing login and you are seeing a register link. So now, what else? 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 So let's change this register. Let's just change the button to something. I want it to be something red. So let's say destructive. So that it can be red. So login register, login register. So if I click on this now, it should take me to, okay, let me log out because I'm logged in already. So let's say login. All right. So let's go back home, register. All right, let's go back home. So now, what else? So let me add something here. I want to add a conditional rendering here. I want to add a conditional rendering here. All right, we have access to auth here. All right, where is the auth coming from? Let's go back to our web route. Auth. All right, I think auth is coming from inertia middleware here. So this is where it's coming from. So if you are very familiar with inertia, don't worry. If you are not familiar with that, a series is coming on inertia and React and all of that. But let's just build this project. We are building on weekend. We are building applications, real life application here. So this is coming from this place. So it's just giving us the authenticated user here. So let's go back to our component. So, and we can receive that from our props here. So all of these props, I don't need it. So let me just clear this out. Let me clear this out. What else? I don't need this. I don't need this. Let me clear it out also. So let's clear it out. Let's clear this out. Save. So, well, we can do that since we have not defined anything here. So, and don't worry, I'll tell you, I'll show you a lot of things in this project, how you can generate TypeScript type automatically. We'll be using DTO that enables us to just generate TypeScript from whatever we define in the what's it called, in the DTO. So just follow along with this series. You'll be learning a lot. You'll be learning a lot. So we are not using this. Let me just clear it out. It's part of the default. So now let's log something here. I want us to do something. Console.log. So let's say auth. Let's save. So I want us to check something in our console here. All right, is it coming? All right. So if you see this, let's expand this object. So you see we have user is null. All right. So let's go back to our login. So what was our email the other time? Admin at example.com. Admin at example.com. One, two. I told you the password is secret. All right, all right, all right, all right. No, no problem. So I want you to remember me. So let's log in. Now let's go back to this page is responsive. So let's go back to let me just maximize this. What can I do? Can someone tell me what I can do? All right, so we are back to this page. So if you let me clear this out. Let me just clear this out and refresh our page. All right, so you can see now that we have this our auth. Previously the user was null, but now if you expand this user, now you now see that we have a user here, which means that a user is authenticated. We now have here back to our code, save, then come here, then let's say auth. If you have auth.user, if our auth dot user. Okay, we will always have that. If we have that, if that exists, so we want to show this, let's just use react fragment here and put all of this inside. Okay, let me say if not, that is if we don't have that show login. So let's come back to our page and see. You notice we are not seeing anything here. So but let's duplicate this. You should think, you would want to ask that, why am I not using if else here? I just feel like let's just undo everything independently so that we don't have too much chain of condition. So it's still part of the mindset of early return. So you'll be learning a lot of things, concepts, best practices and the like. So you'll be learning it here in this project as we build along. So now, what else? All right, I want to go to the dashboard. So if this person is authenticated, just go to your dashboard here. So dashboard. All right, dashboard. So are we having any route as dashboard? Let's come back to our routes and see, do we have any name like that? All right, we have. So what else should we do here? What else should we do? All right, so let's go back to our page and preview. Ooh. All right, I know what's happening, so let's just remove this. Let's see what's showing. All right, so we have our dashboard here. That is, you just go to dashboard. We can even show the authenticated username. Let's just do something like this, inside here. Let's say span. Okay, we can have this. Thank you for giving me that suggestion. So I'm thanking Copilot for that. So now let's do something here. Should I even do this? All right, I'm lazy, I want to do it. So I don't want to do it. So let me bring in the badge component from ChatCN. I'm just lazy to write that few lines of code. All right. Well, don't worry. Some of the time is okay for you, for your productivity, to just save the time. So let's say badge. So I have badge here. So how do we install that? Uh, So let's come back to our installation. Let me just go to installation with why am I doing like that? So copy, then let's go to our terminal, paste, then let's see what happens. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. All right, our badge is installed. So in front or before this, please don't penalize me for maybe any design that is not okay here. I am not a designer. I only have some little design sense, and we are going to just make things look okay. But if I did it wrong, if I do it wrong here, don't penalize me. Let me just try to achieve something here. So now let's come here, badge. I want to import that badge component from component UI. So I want to display the username inside here. So let's save, come back to our project. Let's see, did it work? All right, everything work. Oh, what is this? No, that's not what I want. I don't want it inside the, let's just come here. Uh, let's put it here. So let's put it somewhere here. Anywhere. Let's put it anywhere. All right. So admin, go to dashboard. So I just want to show the name of the logged in person, then go to dashboard. So if I click this now, it should take me to dashboard. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. I think we are progressing. We are progressing here. We are having a great progress here. We're having a great progress. So the next thing I want to do now as we build this is that we'll need icon. a lot in this project. We'll need icon. We'll need icon over and over and over and over again. So what should we do with that? So I'm going to be using the default icon library given to us by ChatCN, which is Lucid Icon. So, and I want to change the logo, default application logo here. So you can see application logo. You can see we have an SVG logo here, which is the Laravel's default logo. So let's go to Lucid icon. So I think it's something lucid.dev. So let's look for a particular icon that will fit use case. Open VTU, something like recharge. Let's see. Let's just go to icons. We'll get one. Don't worry. We'll get one. We'll get one. So we'll get one, we will get one, we'll get one, we'll get one. Let's keep searching. Let's keep searching. Let's keep searching. I want something recharge. Um, well, let's keep searching. I'll be able to get one. I'll get one. All right, let's pick this. Or let's pick it. Let's just pick it. Anytime you are watching this, you can just suggest in the comment. I'll check it out and we can apply it. So let's copy the SVG here. Let's just copy the SVG. Okay, copy SVG. So let's come back here. Let's just clear out this guy and let's paste in our new SVG. So and don't let's forget our props dot props. All right, so we have props here just to make sure we are on a safer side. So let's say class name, anything here. So we'll see our video with this should be stroke line. Is there, I think there's an option for this. I'm coming. Or copy. All right, let's come back. Let's just fix everything. Let's fix everything. So this is complaining about our this JXS. So and we need to make sure everything is compliant. All right, so let's come back to our project here. So all right, can you see now we now have that icon in our project. So in in our next video, which I know is we'll be able to do more than this. So we'll go into more setup. We'll build more things in our application. Don't forget, this is the project we are trying to rebuild. It may not be exact as the design may not be exact as it is here, but we are getting something very, very nice. And as well, it's just to let you know that we can build something great and you can also do it with me. So this is quickrecharge.ng and we are rebuilding it. And we'll also be leveraging the API of quickrecharge.ng to vend airtime and data and every other thing from that end also. So we'll be introducing payment provider, we'll do beneficiary, we'll do bulk SMS, we'll do many things. So by God's grace, as we come back for the next edition of Let's Build on Weekend, which is going to be next week Saturday by 11 a.m. prompt, we'll be starting and we'll build live here. I'm going to be writing everything live. I'll be writing everything live. You see it live here. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now. Now. And if you have anything to say about the stream, you can just shoot in the comments. Just show it in the comments so that we can be able to at least have a we can rub mind together and get things get things to shape. This project will be open. It's going to be open, but if you want to have early access to it, you can sponsor our stream. There is going to be a details in the scripture on how you can be able to sponsor the stream. Then once you sponsor the stream, we are going to give you access to we'll give you access to the code base even when we've not released it to everyone. So, and the time we are going to release it to everyone, I still don't know. But if you want to have early access to it, then let us know. You can reach out to us and we would love to just give you that access. So sponsor our stream. We love to do it. And once you sponsor us, we can be able to do more and more and more. We'll build many, many applications here. So thank you everyone for staying true. Thank you. Meet you in another release, another edition of our Let's Build on Weekend, which is next week Saturday by 11 a.m. God bless you. Thank you.